To be real honest, we are Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter, we are Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan. Obviously we are anxious because of the state our club no. The club no any management this year, and the club no any board this year. But your state in the football friendly pre-season, but Kotoko transfer why they handle Kotoko omo ko why they handle and no. We are fan no credit. You should be in a very anxious state. But mpanifo enyankoda okruma. Team no ewura. Sa Kotoko ni board, Kotoko ni management currently. Kotoko wura. Entina bibia yes menshia. And just before say me saw camera esi me so CCA. I just got off from the phone with a very close Manhyia person. We are very close Manhyia. Menene dinkomo. In some of catch me relating to Kumasi Asante Kotoko current state. Some of the supporters are worried. Say, oh, NCBA league be shasi, the league be shasi Kotoko why na sign players amaye. The players ni ebiba ni nyina no. We brief me na. The bottom line, and I said the Brunibeka a synopsis of the conversation. Menene have no. The bottom line is that Surubia nim, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Umunim, Pennyfo nim the Omoye. So, in Pennyfo nim the Omoye, dear, I was able to and I will be near the train official announcement. Official announcements, no. According to Nkoma Minini, no. Or say by next week, dear. Confirmation, beba. Inti Akuma entoyem near train because Pennyfo and Yankoda, Pennyfo nim the Omoye. Or confirm me say yes indeed and penny ba Manhyia, which is Namibedi Gonzaga about Ugum a call Manhyia a kudim komono Nina no a underground conversation a kosu before say Ugum be Manhyia no na why na Manhyia apparently kwasi apia enti there are engagements going on and there are broad consultations going on everything is going to fall in line. Until there is no need to press the panic button. And I say a cause for alarm. Say season and chibi ebeshasi why mo neba. Minuanom YouTubers and opebia a duma no moye. Also mo pebi biba. And no dear. Me, I will not fight them. A duma no moye. Into report speculation a normal. But nothing is official. As far as Kotoko player we echo, Kotoko player we eba. Incomodia echo subiano. Incomodia is on a low key. Coach or ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko beye juma in the coming season, which is the 2023-2024. A low key encomo. Me catch will say, Pennyfo say, Sir, Bemanene irebeda unitrim. Sabema onene yerebeda ewunitiri chairmanship position edini nyambe todwa but empanyifo ni momo de be mo enti sa coach also ekope coach na coach no esensan players na amanfo di nkoma sa nkomo no wadwe ye wo se empanyifo ye nkoda sa wadwe ye wo se empanyifo ye nkoda sa they are not considering that. And let's set some record straight. Ghana League ebeshasiye on the 20th of September. And the date you're saying, I think and 13 or 14. It is a league never here on the 20th of September. What it means, they say you were around 64 days. The league now ashasi. It is a league never here 20th there. It's a league never here 20th there. Now I was say you train. Na league no eshase enti sese no beba odi am fan cheme production team no na em say mess up kakra bai enti sa league no ye shase 20th of September you around 64 days so it is 64 days no sa e be take some 2 weeks kra and am panyifo e dey be take the right decisions ama a friend is saying, "You're right this time. We want to get things right. It is a big take some 2 weeks. Now penny for enya ne right mpanyifo ni nya ne right then the tours will be an you were around 40 days ahead for the start of the league, and you bet me the 30-35 days a serious preseason. Then league ashasi until where is the cause of alarm? You were average of 70 days 20th of September and a league never shasi until ne de bebrebe and I hunu the oko hunu the oba no pam sorry me hu ade bi ma men sinipi ewo ha. Kumasi Asante Kotoko players are contract very very close. Enchebia ever running out no. We have only 2 players and player baako pay and on this month July and the contract July be which is the midfielder Yusuf Mubarak. Apart from Yusuf Mubarak, Justice Blay on also I can 6 months. Player Biakebiano or full friend is saying months of running contracts. Into a year Yusuf Mubarak and Joseph Blay. Joseph Blay 6 months and all these are captured in the reports. Players are more time over, so players are saying munina our reports num and penny for a steady. So a day any tension, a day any tension. Where the mammy friend a same way on and Kumasi ne see ya and Kabebia ye dija a crowd of focus wouldn't say has of folk Nikocho. But has a side players. I can't be say no, and only 2 players. But has a consigned player, Leventus Atta from Tamale City, a bro muni coach. A same way, a Kumasi Kotoko, and a yes, I do we are, and Kumasi sports dealers. Get them, but even though some for yes, there are Kumasi sports dealers or more condemned, has ni coach but also players. I don't know institutionally is that right? Nancy coach I'll call him PC. Was in your maybe saying now uncle has book because among first structures and you must but well it is something I had in Ghana football and I think let's put jokes aside. We've got to condemn Sanyo man. Your names are hearts. Coach are over and they say omunko sign sa player and there. But I do when so won't see me more has a chisa elsewhere. The BI sorry at Chelsea, Manchester United, and then a Kosovo Abuchi nye coaches in Kwane 2 players. Sometimes team no owners need to make 2 players. Nancy Chelsea owner by Todd Bolly or top player. Top players, but even though say sa mrofone ye na wronga. Any kwanse Ghana, Kumasi Asante Kotoko near crowds of folk, so ye nyoma a wrong waha. But the assurance is that Kumasi Asante Kotoko, all is going to be well. And Ireswa in the space of 2 weeks, next week, and Tuesday, board no reports no besako, until board no reports official announcement and confirmation, be able to atwaso. There was 64 days to start next league so what's the cause of alarm? I mean found here. I mean shall 2 for and total super in good or so. God bless Kumasi Asante Kotoko. God bless Ghana football. God bless Accra folk. Phobia.